Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Now, see, I'm back again with not with your science studies. I'm here now with some table etiquettes. Now, in this video, we will learn some of the most easy and essential table etiquettes. See, whenever you have dinner with someone, whenever you go out dining with someone, the way you eat, the way you hold the fork, the way you hold the knife, this all shows how well behaved you are and your upbringing. By following this simple video, I hope you can learn the simple steps for a proper dining. Now we will talk about the place of different utensil in the dining setup. You can see in the right hand side there is a knife and a spoon, and in the left hand side there is a fork. Above the main serving plate, there is one spoon and one fork that will be utilized during your dessert. And on the right hand side, you will keep your glass for your drinks, and on the left hand side, there will be a plate for your bread. Now, when you settle down in your place, what you need to do is take the napkin, unfold it, and keep it properly on your lap. Now, napkin is your friend, so feel free whenever you need to use it. One more thing, napkin should never be kept tucked in your shirt. No, napkin must be resting on your lap. Whenever you want to drink something, what you need to do, take the napkin, wipe out your lips, keep it back, and then you take the glass and have a sip. In this way, nothing will be left over the glass. Whenever you're sitting, keep your wrist on the table. Let it rest on the table. Never keep your elbows over the table. It is thought as a bad manners. You should never sit like this or like this. The proper sitting manner is you should sit upright with your wrist resting over the table. If your left hand is not in use, you can rest your left hand on your lap, but never like this. Now we will learn how to use the knife and the fork. Now, there are two main styles that are followed all over the world. One is American style of dining, another is European style. First, let us come to American style. In American style, what we do, we take the fork in our right hand, and whenever we need to cut something, what we do, we simply switch the fork to our left hand and we take the knife. What we do next, we hold the food with the fork, and with the knife we will make a simple cut, and again we will keep the knife on the top of your serving plate, and again we will switch the fork to your right hand. And what we will do, we will take the food and we will put it in our mouth. Again if we need to cut a food, then again we will switch the fork, take the knife, hold the food, cut the food, put the knife back on the top of the plate, and then switch the fork and then again eat. This style of dining is called zigzag dining. That we continuously switch the fork from right hand to left hand. But in case of European style, what we do, we keep the knife in our right hand and fork in the left hand. Whenever we need to cut something, we simply hold the food with our fork and we make a cut, and we simply take the food in our mouth. In this case, the knife will be kept in our right hand only. We will not keep the knife back on the plate. And again, one more thing, whenever you are eating something, the food must come to your mouth. You will not go close to the food. Keep it in mind, the food will come to your mouth. You will not go close to the food. Students, spoon is used only when you are eating something from a bowl. Spoon is never used during eating anything from the serving plate. Whenever we are eating something from the serving plate, we will only use the fork and the knife. Now, let us talk about silent service code. Whether you are having the dinner in European style or in American style, there are some messages that you can send to the wait staff. When you're eating something, when you're holding the knife and the fork, and you need to go to a washroom or you need to receive a call, but you are not finished yet, what you can do? In American style, what they do? They keep the fork and the knife in this position, so that there is a gap between the fork and the knife. So the wait staff can see that you are not finished yet and they will not clean it up. But in case of European style, what you do, you place the fork and the knife in crisscross manner. This shows that you are not finished yet and you will come back and have your dinner. Now, when you are finished, then what you need to do is you need to keep the fork and the knife in this position, means parallel to each other at 10-20 position. If this is a clock, then this is 10 and 20. So this means that you are finished and the wait staff can clean it up. Whether it is in European style or in American style, in both the cases, the knife and the fork are kept in parallel position. It may be straight or it may be in 10-20 position. Hope you have learned the simple dining techniques that is followed all over the world. Maybe it is European or American style of dining. The basic etiquettes are same for all the styles. Hope you have enjoyed the session and I will see you soon again. Bye.